Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that comes by way of Ferengi from Australia. Thank you so much. This is Mamee Chef Me Goreng Laksa Nyonya. And Nyonya is, it's a combo of India, China, and Malaysia. All those food cultures melding into one. Let me just look here. Tree. Oh my god. I hurt, folks. I am in serious pain. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. This is the right one, right? Yes. Drop that in. Turn the thing on. And now you get, look what you get. You don't even have to pay an import tariff to watch me cook. Oh my god. Did the trade wars end? Trade Wars 2025. There used to be a game back in the day called Trade Wars 2002. Now granted, Trade Wars 2002 was out like, what? Late 80s, early 90s? Sound about right? It was a BBS game. BBS was bulletin board system. And you would dial up with your really slow modem. We're talking like 2400 baud. And call up and you could play this space trading game. Well, now we don't even have to do that. Now we have the 25% tariffs on Mexico and Canada that just started. It's a wacky deal. I don't... Yeah, I've got Mixer, I've got Fireball, and oh, I didn't get any chip or snack. Crap. I don't really need a chip or a snack. I just need some booze to get me through the congressional thing where Trump's gonna blather tonight. But anyways, enough of that crap. I am super stoked on this. This is cool. These guys make some of my favorite stuff. I'm telling you right now. Mamee Chef is a Malaysian company, and they make some amazing... They've got a lontong variety that is just... Oh, man. There's like a list of instant noodles. People have asked me before, if you were on a desert island and there were only like 3 varieties of instant noodles you could have, this is like a contender for that. It's like, yeah, it's good stuff. Yeah, their lontong, their mee kari laksa, not their mee goreng. I don't know. I've never had this before. This is like brand new. But it's a dry laksa. I've never heard of such a thing. What planet are we on? Weird. But it sounds good, and I'm sure it is really, really good. Okay, we don't really need a spoon for this. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Oh, man. So, I gotta say, I am in great pain today. I went on a long walk this morning. I walked, I guess, 7 miles? But it was like the last month or so, I've had this like horrible hip pain. And I figured, you know what it must be? It's just because I haven't been doing as much walking, and my muscles just aren't used to it. So I decided this week I am just gonna say, I'm gonna say no to pain. And either totally thrash myself and ruin myself forever, or build up muscle and not have this pain problem anymore. And yesterday I walked, I don't know how far I walked, but I do know yesterday I did coconut milk powder. All right. In all, I did like 14,600 steps. Once I got back from walking today, and granted that first number was all day long. Once I got back today, I looked at it and I'd already done like 14,900. So I'd eclipsed the full day amount. So, and I don't know, I have to look at how much soda I've got for mixer for my beverage facilitation. I might have to go to the store too. But 22,000 steps is 10 miles, and that's what I used to try to pull off. But we'll see. I don't think I'm gonna. I don't want to like. I want to build up. I don't want to like destroy. But yeah, my plan is to go out again tomorrow, and man, I really hope this mixes in well. Yeah, it's working on it. Didn't want a clumpy. Okay, come on. Let's just get all crazy with it. Come on. I should have left the sachet of the liquid on the stove next to it. Next to the burner, because that would have warmed it up. It's not really warm today. It's not cold. I mean, it's not didn't freeze. We're kind of out of that loop. It's March 4th, 2024, ladies and gentlemen. 2025, rather. I wonder what the episode on March 4th, 2024 was, if there was one. Right now, it's doing, because, what was it, last year? It's between February and March, because I do, for the episode number, it has to correlate correctly, right? So episode 1 could be on like the 1st, the 11th, the 21st, or the 31st. Episode 2, if it were on the 31st, would have to be on the 2nd of the next month. That prevents so much crap. So right now it's doing like greatest hits, throwback episodes. Some might call them throw up episodes if you don't like what I do, but you know, that's okay. Then don't watch. It says throw it all in. I'm gonna do what it says on the sachet. But that's the crispy. I bet you this is gonna be rad. The next one's weird. I'm very curious about the next review I'm doing, and I'm debating on whether to do a mukbang today. I don't know. Of all three that I'm doing today, I think this would be the one that I just want to scarf down like no tomorrow. But here we are. Our noodle looks to be round. There we are. Cheers. I'm trying to find a crispy bit. Okay. My thoughts. Lovely prawn flavor. Nice heat. Super good. Oh, that's right. I'm using this bowl of plate. They sent me this plate, God, 10, 15 years ago? I mean, it's broken, but it'll do fine. But, yeah, it's a Mamee chef plate. That was way back. But I still have it. Because I'm a hoarder. No, I'm not a hoarder, but when it comes to instant noodle ephemera, I really have a hard time getting rid of it. I had a couple measuring cups from Nongshim that they gave me, and they ended up cracking, and although I think I still have one in the cupboard. I think I have a cracked measuring cup in the cupboard. Just because I thought it was cool. Not the cracked aspect, but you know what I mean. Okay. Since it shows egg, I'm going to add egg. At least on the package it shows it. I'm impressed. These eggs have actually been doing quite well. These are brown happy eggs. I got an 18 pack of them. The yolks aren't too bad. I've become a real picky guy when it comes to the color of the yolks. And these aren't bad. Let's see, what about kind of a corner deal? Yeah. What else? I've still got my Thai basil, and I want to use that up. Man. Gotta hand it to my local grocer. They really know how to take produce and turn it into a real battle. Yeah. Actually, the produce battle is just about to start with all our new tariffs, and then the reciprocating tariffs and the tariffs on top of that. I think it's going to turn into a thing where it's like, if you like things, then you're going to have to pay a premium for things and stuff and food. That's just kind of how it seems like. I have heard so many economists say that all this tariff stuff is bad and it doesn't work. And I tend to have a feeling that they're right. But what I did notice is I haven't heard about any of the current administration. They're not like going, we're announcing tariffs on Malaysia and Singapore, and it's like they really haven't said anything like that, which I'm thankful for. But it's just kind of funny. It's like, you really not gonna let Southeast Asia in on the tariff party? What? No Korea? No Vietnam. I mean, there's a lot of Vietnamese product. I don't know. I mean, I'm not like saying they should do that. but it's kind of funny that they're not. It seems like he wants to tariff everybody everywhere. But luckily, I know, I'll shut up. I don't want to give him any ideas. I'm sure he watches the show. This is fried onion, because I like fried onion. It's already got a crisp element, but... My wife and I do this gesture of like pretending to like sprinkle things on stuff. So that's how I'm getting all weird like that. Anyways. There we go. A square plate of Laksa mee goreng, and it's freaking wonderful. Cool, cool, cool. Thank you for watching. The next one you're going to see is this Vifon variety, and this is from Vietnam and made for the Polish market. This is a hot beef with Szechuan pepper, and that should be interesting. Thanks to my buddy James from Lakeside, California. He keeps sending me rad stuff. So, all right, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.